Hello everyone and welcome back to Fastback Racing. My name is Jason and today we are unboxing the next level FGT Lite. So I got my box cutter here. So I bought this last year and I never opened it, and I finally got the G923 for the Xbox. So I wanted to get something to put my steering wheel and pedals on. Of course, now that I opened this box, I probably could have just opened. You can see there it is. So I'm just gonna flip this over. That over there. And so the GT Lite, we have so there was a box in a box. I have to find my knife. What did I do? And now I can't find my knife. That's right. I don't know if I put it in my pocket or not. I'll just use this. And that's Toby. He probably sees the cat. Yeah, angle to see what's inside. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and dump it out. There we go. So it folds up, which is great. I like that. This is for the shifter. Those little tools. Got the manual. Kind of cool. Shows how to build it. Okay, it's still on that. Okay, cool. This is just the unboxing. I will assemble it off camera. I'll just give you a look at it. There we go. seat part. There we go. That's what is in the box. Then we pan over to Toby. Oops. All right. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the next level FGT Lite. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this and get my get everything ready, and so that way I can start playing with the steering wheel. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.